Right, we've got shape A, a regular polygon, and we're given the ratio of the interior to the exterior angles is 7:2, and the ratio of the length of each of the sides to the number of sides is 5/3. Find the perimeter of this shape. I think the first thing we've got to do is find these interior and exterior angles, given the fact that they must add up to 180 degrees. So there's the diagram. Here's the internal angle of the polygon, and here's the exterior. So straight away, I can say that I plus E must equal 180 degrees. And we're told that the ratio of the interior is equal to 7:2. So I think with these ratios, it's always worth converting this to a fraction. Between the interior and the exterior angles, this is 7/9 of the total, and this is 2/9 of the total. The total being 180 degrees. So the exterior angle is equal to 2/9 of 180 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. So now I can say the number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 40, and that is equal to 9. So now dealing with this second ratio, where they say that the length of the sides to the number of sides is 5:3. And we know that the number of sides is 9, which is a multiplication of 3. So if we multiply the ratio by 3, we get 15:9. So therefore, L must equal 15, this being L, the length of each of the sides. So therefore, the perimeter is equal to 15 multiplied by 9, and that is equal to 135. Well, we're not told anything about units, so I can just say this is units. And that's your answer.